Most thermal sites force you to choose a handheld monocular, a pissed optic, or helmet-mounted thermal device. But what if one compact unit could do all three? Today we are testing the KTS 260 mini thermal sight, a tiny thermal optic that weighs just 120 grams, yet claims to deliver AI-enhanced imaging, a responsive touchscreen, onboard recording, and enough durability. The big question is, can something this small actually perform in the real world? Let's find out. Tiny size, but with a serious build. The first thing that surprised me was the size. It's generally pocket-sized, measuring only 52 by 48 by 51 millimeters. This is a OLED screen, and there are 3 buttons on there. When you long press this left button for 3 seconds, you can turn on this thermal sight, and short press it to take photo, long press it to record video. And you can swipe left to right to change color palettes. So it's very easy to use, and the best thing is this is OLED screen that delivers sharp contrast and vivid thermal images. Let's talk about the image quality. This is the most important thing you should consider when you choose the thermal sight. The MAGA STRKVIN KTS 260 uses a 256 by 192 VOx Thermal Sensor running at 60 Hz. On paper, that may not sound extraordinary, but once you start scanning, the picture tells a different story. As I mentioned before, you can swipe left or right to change the color palette, swipe up to switch reticles, long press the screen to open the full settings menu. Just long press the screen, and as you can see, there is a settings menu. By tapping it, you can change the brightness, and here you can change the settings of the contrast, or even do some calibration. And there is the settings menu. You can set it to power off automatically, and there are many different settings for you to choose according to your needs. So here is my final conclusion. It's not just a thermal sight. With the available mounting accessories, it can transform into a handheld thermal monocular, a pistol-mounted optic, a helmet-mounted observation device, or a pictonary-mounted thermal sight. Buying one device that can perform multiple jobs makes for more sense than carrying separate thermal systems. The last thing I want to mention is about the battery and connectivity. Power comes from a removable 1634 battery, providing roughly 4 hours for continuous use. That's the basic review of this product. This is the MAGA STRKVIN KTS 260 thermal sight. If you enjoyed this video, just give us a like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this product, you can leave your comments on the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.